Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP35 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the sound and vibration. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on phone ringtone. And as you can see, we will open the full list of available ringtones from which we can choose. At the top, we've got the option None, which means that your device will not use any sound to notify about the incoming call. And here at the bottom, we've got Add Ringtone, which means that we can choose and set as a ringtone our own files, for example, downloaded. However, here we've got the full list of pre-installed ringtones, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, we have to simply tap on it. And then we will be able to check whether we like it or not. After deciding, so let's pretend I want to apply this one. Just make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.